Hey everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use frames in Canva. To find the frame options, go to Elements and click on Frames and then Frames again. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see all of these different types of shapes. You can also find frames for a monitor, a laptop, a phone, even a tablet if you need one. You can also find a book cover shaped one. But also if you go to the search bar here and type in a specific shape, like circle, you'll be able to find all of these different outlines as well. To use these frames, all you have to do is just take a photo and drag it into the frame. Or you can adjust the size of it as you'd like. Or you can right-click and choose the attach image. And this way the frame and the picture are now separated. Alright, this is how you can use frames in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to try out all premium Canva Pro features, you can claim your 30-day Canva Pro free trial by clicking the link in the description below. We also have a free Canva crash course ebook and a Canva monetization checklist that you can download for free as well. Last but not least, check out our YouTube channels for hundreds of other Canva video tutorials.